Okay, so this is a 2005-9 Cummins 24 valve. It's got the VP44 pump. I'm told I can use this Tappit cover. I just ordered this. This is what came. I just got in there. This is what I got. And I could not see that down in there. I did not know that. There also is a cover over here that is supposed to keep the noise down. And there it is. It came off in a million freaking pieces, so that ain't going back on. But you can put it on after this is back in there. Okay, you may have to move your ECM or whatever. But I'm told I can use this Tappit cover because I have a breather on the front of my timing cover. Now, stay tuned. If it blows the gasket out and it starts leaking oil again, I'm not going to be very happy, but there you go. Yeah, that's Cub Cadet Lowboy farm tractor paint. Don't like it? Too bad. Stay tuned. There's going to be some more videos on 2005-9 Cummins 24 valve.